Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Samsung Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how it can solve if your Wi-Fi has been connected but it just shows no internet access. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, if your Wi-Fi is connected and then it shows no internet access, the first thing you want to do is check your internet, because most of the times it could just be that your network connection might not be functioning properly. Try to connect to other devices. If it is working on your other devices, that's perfectly fine. If it's not working, then the issue is with your internet. Now, after you do that, you can simply try to go ahead and then first of all swipe down your control settings here and simply long press on your Wi-Fi toggle. You can just try to forget your current Wi-Fi network here, and once you try to forget it, you can try to reconnect it. Next up, what you want to do is simply go to settings and simply check for software update. If your device has any sort of software update available, make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, you can simply try to restart your device, and once you restart your device, that should definitely help you solve the problem. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.